Well, I got a new iPhone. This is my new iPhone. It lets me shoot stuff like this, like selfies, really easily because I can hold it still, more or less. It's smaller than my iPad. Anyway, this is a terrible day to be shooting anything for anybody. The sky, as you can see, is overcast in every direction. Things look gray today, including my gray bus. So I'm in a place called Kitts Point, and this is called Burrard Marina. It's a small marina for small boats. In the winter, the water's pretty clear, primarily because there's no algae in it. It's pretty dead. We have little ferry boats that take people around this little harbor called False Creek. And of course, some working boats. A launching ramp for small trailered boats. From here you get a good view of the west end of Vancouver on a very gray day. It's windy and it's cold, but I came to shoot something in front of this building. What I came to shoot was this crab. I tried a few different angles. Got some video like this. Gray stuff on a gray day. The water looks pretty. And I decided to go inside and warm up. I have not been here for about 25 years. Inside they had a space center. Oh, I decided to walk in. I had been looking for some interesting light, and now I found some. In fact, I found all of the lights that are left on in the world at night. I found myself in a space show. Was saying was nonsense, so I'm just voice-overing it. It's a show meant for kids, and so there was a video game I could sit in, a lunar or Mars rover. I was supposed to find some gold, and of course I went the wrong way. Already bored, so I'm trying to crash the rover. It's not that much fun. It wouldn't crash, but I found the gold. Wasn't until now that I realized I found interesting lighting and some interesting subjects. Very dull, a very gray day had been transformed instantly walking through a door I had not bothered to open for about 30 years. I'm going to come back here soon and visit this Hide and Now gallery. For now, I'm back to enjoying a gray day. But I'm happy I visited that spaceship.